Yeah, hello folks. We are once again back with the next part of this exercise 7.3. We already finished the problems 1, 2, 3. Now we are in the problem number 4. So the problem number 4, as it is in the put up in the board, it is I equal to sine cube 2x plus 1 dx. As I told you earlier, we know only the formulae for integral of sine, integral of cos and so on. We are not aware about the formula for integral of sine cube. So what we are going to do here is we are going to use a trigonometric formula and try to get into a simpler function from sine cube to simpler functions and then apply the integration. It's only that much. And for that, already in the 11th standard we have learned a triple angle formula which says that sine 3 theta is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. This is what is going to come to our rescue. And this sine cube we are going to treat it and get this. Suppose if we take it on this other side, so 4 sine cube theta will become 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta, or rather sine cube theta is going to be 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta over 4. So this is what we are going to use. So the entire sine cube, we are going to convert it in this form and get the answer. So our I now is becoming no sine cube, but it is going to be 3 sine 2x plus 1 minus sine 3 times 2x plus 1 dx. 4 is there in the denominator, dx. I'll just check if it is 2x plus 1 or not. Sometimes, yeah, it's 2x plus 1. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to apply the integral. Now it's very easy to apply the integral. So let's take the 1 over 4 outside. Your first part of the integral, 3 outside, integral of sine 2x plus 1 dx. That's your first part of the integral. And second part of the integral, it's going to be integral of sine 6x plus 3 dx. Now let's get the integral. Now it's very easy to get the integral. The integral is 1 over 4. 3 sine integral we all know is minus cos. So minus cos 2x plus 1, and the integral coefficient 2 is there. Here also it's minus cos, so that minus and minus is becoming plus, and you're getting cos 6x plus 3 with the integral coefficient 6 over here. That's all. Now we just need to simplify this. So when you write this in simplified form, I think the first part is going to be minus 3 over 8 cos 2x plus 1, and the second part is going to be 1 over 24. So it's going to be cos 6x plus 3 over 24 plus c. Of course, there are several other ways of clarifying this, and simplifying this is one of the ways of doing it. So this is the fourth problem. Now after this we are moving to the fifth one. Let's see what it says. The fifth one is I equal to integral of cos sine cube x cos cube x. It is sine cube x cos cube x dx. Okay, sine cube x and cos cube x, again it's a product and they are cubes. So again it's working. You have to get them into a simplified form so that you can apply the integral. So it's okay. It's a product and square cubes both. Let's work on it as we did earlier. Let's get it simplified and then apply the integral. So let's look at consider. Let's only consider the function, then we look at the integral. Consider the sine cube x cos cube x. Only that part we are considering, and for our convenience we are multiplying and dividing by 8. Now I'll tell you what is the advantage of the 8. Of course you cannot just multiply, so we are multiplying and dividing so that the value doesn't change, but it serves your purpose. Now why we have taken the 8 is because 8 is 2 cube. 2 cube sine cube x cos cube x. So that we can club these cubes together, and this can become 2 sin x cos x whole cube. Yeah, we have learned the property ab raised to m is a raised to m times b raised to m. So that way, so that property, because of that property we can club it like this. No? ab raised to m is a raised to m times b raised to m. So that's how you clubbed it, and this is how you're getting it. Now, but for us, over 8 is there. But for us, we know that 2 times sin x cos x is sin 2x. So we knew it. So that is sin 2x raised to 3 over 8, but which we always call it as sin cube 2x over 8. Alright, the product has become sin 2x now, but again cube is there and we are not happy with the cubes. We want it to be simplified. We just learnt in the previous question, we can just pick up that formula from there. That you can just pick up this formula from here, that sine cube of anything, let's write the 1 over 8 outside, and sine cube of anything is 3 sine theta. That means 3 sine 2x minus sine 3 theta, that is sine 3 times 2x, which is 6x. 3 times 2x, so 6x, and that is all overall over 4. So when we simplify, it is 1 over 32. 3 sine 2x minus sine 6x. Now it's okay. We can do the integral really fast. I is going to be integral of 1 over 32 times 3 sine 2x minus sine 6x dx. So let's take the 1 over 32 outside and get these individual integrals. So the first part, the integral is going to be 3 integral of sine 2x dx, and the second part, it is going to be integral of sine 6x dx. So this is going to be 1 over 32 integral sine, we know it's minus cos, so this is going to be minus cos 2x over 2. And the other part is also minus, but because the already existing minus, that will become plus. So here it's going to be cos 6x over 6, because 6 is the integral coefficient, plus c. So therefore, I don't know whether if we open up everything together, then it's going to be minus 3 over 64 cos 2x, and 32, 6 2s are 18, 6 2s are 18, 198, I hope it's correct, 6 2s are 18, 18, 90, yeah, cos 6x plus c. So that's about the problem number 5, where we get the integral like this, minus 3 over 64 yes. That's all for this video. With more problems, let's meet in the next video.